Hey guys, welcome back to Fun Fam. If you're new here, my name is Bentley, and today is Saturday, the 28th of June. So Saturday, June 28th. And today there's a firework thing, so I'm going to be vlogging there. So, yeah. On the show when we're there. Okay, y'all. We are packing for the thingy I told y'all about. The 4th of July thingy. So, finally, I am literally so excited. This is my favorite thing to do. We do it once a year, so. The one thing I hate about it is literally nothing. Like, I love everything about it. It is all cool, all fun. There is nothing to hate about it. But first things first, we're gonna look in here for a flashlight. And also there was a red one in here, and I'm not seeing it. So. Okay, she said it was on her dresser or in her dresser drawer, and I'm not seeing it, so. Yeah, I don't see it. I think I'm gonna bring one of these to pop. Oh no, I just want to pop one so bad. So, this will be the secret thing. The thing I hate is there was, when I was cleaning, there was a freaking spider, and I can't be around spiders. I had to break out and stuff. Or not break out, like, have a reaction. Oh, there's one under my bed. Or, there's one under my bed now, because I wasn't able to kill it. I didn't have shoes on, y'all. I hit kill something without shoes on. Bug spray. Notice that towel in the bottom. Now I'm gonna pack some snacks. And there's a little container thing full of snacks. It's actually so cute. Oh, no, there's a handful of things in there. So we can snack on them. I think I'm gonna bring this pack of lemon cookies. Literally, it's just like a little pack. And we had leftovers. I'm gonna look outside real quick and see if they're. Yeah, because I'm waiting for them to get here. I don't know if I will be able to post this video because there is going to be fireworks, and I don't think fireworks are allowed. Wait, hold on. I have to think of this. Then why is people allowed to film fireworks videos, but when I film one and I post it, it won't let it says this is unavailable, or this is past our guard lines, or like, just let it be. So if I can't post this all, I'm sorry, but what can I do about it? We're gonna pack 4 waters. I don't know what all we're gonna need. Gonna get some sodas out of my mom's room. I don't know what all we're gonna need. But like I told y'all, this is like a 3-hour long event. It's, oh my gosh. My parents' bedroom don't like click when it shuts anymore. Freaking stupid. But here's what we got from my parents. We got 2 Dr. Pepper, strawberry, and cream. And then we got 1 Mountain Dew Code Red. Because these aren't just little short fireworks. It's like a very long thing. I need to finish packing and put y'all on the charger because my phone's out today, so. Okay guys, we're at the firework thing, but there's put bug spray on it, but I'm sitting in the trunk of the car. I can't see. Oh. I don't know. I just got a big one. I just seen a big one and I didn't get it on camera. I hope I was recording. Oh my god, the police. The sheriff is not another car. Fireworks on this side and lightning on the other side. Pocos. It's not even showing up. You want to say hi, Mom? They can barely see you. Okay, guys. It's honestly fun. We're gonna set up a little light back here so y'all can see. I'm about to go live on Instagram for a little bit because I told them I would to show them the fireworks, so I'm eating Starburst jelly beans. My whole family ate some, that's why they're almost gone. And I'm drinking water, so I'm being healthy. Yeah. That was creepy. I don't care. I shouldn't use the bathroom for a really long time. Yo, there's so many different fireworks going off, and I love this. Whoa. These things are crazy. I'm trying to find a tripod without using a tripod. What is up? That was bad. We could do better. Huh? Yo, look. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go live on Instagram. No, I gotta set up a little station that everyone have to be able to see, so. Let's see if that's no. It's just right enough. We're gonna turn it though. So in them big ones, or the little ones, that both in the same Y'all, we're actually gonna be extending this vlog. I was just gonna do fireworks and barbecue. Would be a different vlog, but it's gonna be in this vlog. My dad is setting up his grill right now. He has to build it because he just got it, so I can show a couple clips of that, and I can show a couple clips of him prepping the food and all that. Well, we're actually gonna straighten my hair tonight for the first time in my whole life. Or, not whole life, but I just let my sister braid my hair and do all that. When she was, like, young. And when I was literally, like, 7, 5, 6, or 7, or 8. I'm also gonna be prepping the other things. What else is there? Here's the thing about cheeseburger. We have 1 4-pack and 2 4-pack, so 8, and then stay out for a minute. Okay. Actually, I might add up to 9 because I have this other one from the last time we had cheeseburgers, so we might just cook 9 of them. We have 8 buns. So we're gonna get 1, 2. Hold on, I want to use the new plates. This is what the new plates look like. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm gonna need this to put all the, like, toppings on. So here's the 4 plates. We're prepping the table. Even though my mom probably won't eat in here because she was, like, sick. Not sick, like, you know what I mean. I hope. But we're gonna wash my hands. Not yet, because I think I want to straighten my hair first. But I'm just giving y'all a rundown of what all we would need. I'm gonna go pee, and then I'm gonna go straighten my hair. You won't even stand up anywhere. So I'm prepping the food. I just straightened my hair like 10, 15, 20 minutes ago. What was I gonna say? I don't know why I decided that I didn't want to do this in the very beginning of my channel, but I think I'm gonna start a podcast. I don't know, I think it would be fun to do, fun to have. I post maybe once, twice a week. Not every week I want to post. What I used to do on my other channel is every Wednesday. So if y'all think I should start a podcast, that would be what every Wednesday's video would be, was a different episode of my podcast. So if y'all would be okay with that, then that's fine. But I might start a whole different channel for my podcast, if I make one. So, I need y'all's help in the comments if I should do this or not. First thing I'm cutting up is tomatoes. Good thing to have on a cheeseburger. The only thing I don't like is I don't like cheeseburgers on the grill. Or at least not how my stepdad makes them. He blackens them. And if y'all like that, don't come after me. Oh, I need to have this hidden, don't I? It's not. Just cutting up tomatoes. Oh, wow. My cat's showing me some moves that she's got. Dang it. No, this tomato is so uncooperative. Mom! Oh no. Mom. Okay, the tomatoes cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all you know, there's only 5 pieces of that tomato. Need to grab an onion. I hope they bought onion because we don't have onion. That's a rare thing. My family not having onion. How does my dad live without it? Or how does my mom and dad live without it? Not just my dad eats onion. Did y'all buy onion? Where? Oh yeah, I remember seeing it. Where is it? Oh, right there. I'll update y'all when I'm cutting something different. The onion, the tomato, and the lettuce is all cut up. But yeah.